Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how we can pair your JVC earbuds with MacBook. First of all, we have to open this charging case and remove both earbuds. Next, we have to use this button. It's located right here. So let's click and hold it right now. And as you can see, when we do this, they just turned off. So click and hold one more time to turn them on and enter the pairing mode. Keep holding. Right now, the left one is blinking white and red quickly, so it means that they are in the pairing mode. Put them close to your MacBook and then scroll down for the system settings. Go for the Bluetooth. Select them from the list of the nearby devices. In the last step, go to the sound settings and check if the output and the input device is set up for our JVC earbuds. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.